let's consider one example to find the energy of the signal. For a trapezoidal pulse x of t shown below, find energy of x of t, also energy of signal y of t is equal to dx of t by dt. Here x of t waveform is given. We supposed to calculate the energy of this x of t. Later we supposed to take the derivative of x of t, that is nothing but y of t, and we have to find the energy of y of t. First so here the x of t is known as trapezoidal pulse. Here we can observe that for t equal to -4 to -5, a ramp signal exists which begin at -5 and stops at t equal to -4. Similarly, here for t equal to +4 and +5, there is a ramp signal which initiated at t equal to 4 and ends at t equal to 5. In between, that is -4 to +4, we have a constant. This constant signal is known as step signal having magnitude 1. Now we'll try to represent this x of t in terms of equations so that we can easily find the energy of the signal x of t. So in this example, for t less than -5, the value of x of t is 0. Similarly, here for t greater than 5, the value of the signal x of t is 0. Now we'll try to find the value of x of t when t is -4, when t is in between -4 and -5. So this is a ramp signal. This is ramp signal. So first we'll try to calculate slope of this ramp signal. Slope is calculated using the formula slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here at the ramp signal originated at t equal to -5. So here x1 is equal to -5 and y1 is equal to 0. Similarly, at this point x1 is nothing but -4. We'll call it as x2, and y2 is amplitude of this signal, that is 1. Therefore, now we'll try to calculate slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is +5, which is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to slope 1. Therefore, slope of this ramp signal is 1. Slope is nothing but magnitude of ramp signal. Now we'll try to represent this slope in terms of mathematical equation. We know that if the ramp is originated at t equal to 0, having the slope is equal to 1, we can represent it as r of t and its value is t. So now here comparing this ramp with this ramp signal, we can observe that here ramp is begin at t equal to 0, here ramp is begin at t equal to -5. So these two ramps are same, but this is shifted by 5 units towards left. Therefore, I can write it as, if I shift this towards left by 5 units, I can represent this as r of t minus of -5, that is shifted ramp, which is nothing but r of t plus 5, that can be represented as t plus 5. Therefore, the value of this ramp signal is t plus 5 in between the time -4 to -5. Therefore, I will write the expression for x of t now. So here x of t is equal to 0 for t less than or equal to 5, greater than or equal to -infinity, that is from -infinity to -5, its value is 0. Next, its value is, just now we found, that is t plus 5 for t less than or equal to minus 4 and greater than or equal to minus 5. Now here we can observe that from minus 4 till plus 4 the value of the signal is 1, that is 1 for t less than or equal to plus 4 greater than or equal to minus 4. So now here we can observe that there is one more ramp, which here we can observe that there is one more ramp in between 4 to 5 which is originated at 4 and ends at 5. The slope of this ramp is same as this one, that is 1. So here we can observe that this ramp signal is reflected version of this ramp signal. Therefore we can write the value of this ramp is same as this value but reflected version. So reflected version can be obtained by replacing t by minus t. Therefore I can write it as this 5 is same as it is, this t is replaced by minus t, that is 5 minus t, which is in between t less than or equal to 5 greater than or equal to 4. Now we'll find energy of the signal x of t. Energy of x of t, that is E is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t square into dt. So we can represent this as minus 5 to plus 5 x of t square into dt, because trapezoidal signal exists in between minus 5 to plus 5. Now I can break this integration in terms of three different waveforms, that is from minus 5 to minus 4 a ramp signal exists. The value of the ramp signal is t plus 5 square into dt, plus we can observe that in between minus 4 to plus 4 there is a step signal whose magnitude is 1, that is 1 into dt, plus in between plus 4 to plus 5 there is another ramp, that is falling ramp, which value is 5 minus t whole square into dt. Now we'll simplify this further. E is equal to integration of t plus 5 square, it gives t plus 5 cube divided by 3, limits are minus 5 minus 4, plus integration of 1, that is t minus 4 plus 4. Here integration of 5 minus t square, it gives 5 minus t cube divided by minus 3, that is coefficient of t is minus 1. We have 4, 5. We'll simplify this further. E is equal to, substituting t equal to minus 4, that is 5 minus 4 will be 1. 1 cube is 1, that is 1 by 3, minus substitute t equal to minus 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0, plus here t value is 4 minus 4, plus upper limit, that is t equal to 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0, minus substituting t equal to 4 here. 5 minus 4 is 1, it will be minus 1 by 3. So simplifying this further, we get E is equal to 1 by 3 plus 8 plus 1 by 3. So simplifying this, it gives 26 by 3. Therefore energy of signal x of t is equal to 26 by 3 joules. So next sub question is y of t is equal to d by dt x of t. So this is the given x of t signal. These are mathematical expression with respect to the signal x of t. Now we'll try to differentiate this equation. We know that the x of t, when t value is in between minus infinity to 5, its value is 0. That is, differentiation of this value is 0. When we differentiate t plus 5 with respect to t, we will get differentiation of this is 1. The differentiation of 1 is 0, and for this the differentiation of 5 minus t is minus 1. So now I can draw y of t signal. Y of t. So here for t equal to 0, when the time period is between minus 5, when t is in between minus 4 and minus 5, say this is minus 5 and say this is minus 4, the magnitude of the signal is 1. That is, we can draw it like this. The magnitude of this is 1. Similarly, for t is equal to plus 4 and plus 5, the magnitude is minus 1. That is, suppose this is 4 and this is 5. We have here minus 1. So now we'll try to find the energy of signal y of t. Therefore, energy E is equal to, given by the formula, minus infinity to infinity x of t square into dt, which can be written as E is equal to minus 5 to minus 4. Here magnitude is 1, that is 1 into dt, plus 4 to 5. Here it is minus 1, so magnitude is 1 only, that is 1 into dt. Therefore I can write E is equal to, integration of 1 is t, which is minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 plus t 4 5. By simplifying this, it is minus 4 minus of minus 5, that is 1, plus 5 minus 4, that is 1. So E is equal to 2. Therefore, energy of signal Y is equal to 2 joules. This is required solution for the given problem. These are d by dt x of t values, that is 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Thank you for watching.